of reiki. It's amazing. It never does that. It's crazy. Every time you do something important, weird stuff be happening. Amazing. Love and light. Love and light. Relaxation. Calm. Breathe. Relax. Go to sleep. Relax. Sleep if you need it. Insomnia. It's not going to be an issue. You're going to relax. You're going to sleep out. You listen to this too. It helps with anxiety, repel anxiety, depression, peace, connection with your higher self and God. Okay, so let's do a reading. Let's make you, to whoever's watching this, or whoever will see this, your angel spirit guides, let's give them a clear message for whoever is watching this. A clear message. Very clear message. Cards that turn over. I'll show you. whoever's watching this and you need answers to your questions, they will be in here. They will be in here. They will be in here, darling. They will be in here. Okay. Okay, this one. Alrighty, let's see who needs this message. To whoever's watching this, whatever was on your mind and you wanted answers to, you're going to get it right now. Alright, you're going to get it. You're going to get it right now. I just need to sort out my cards. Sort them out. I might need my glasses for this, honestly. This is going to be my first YouTube tarot reading. I've done it live before on other platforms and it went well. That was nice. But yeah. So this isn't my first rodeo. I used to do it live on this platform. They don't offer it on there anymore. But I think it's time for me to start doing them on here. Honestly. You know, I have to just stop caring that, oh, my family thinks this is terrible. Oh, she's doing the devil's juice with those cards. No. I've been doing this for a while, honestly. I really have. Oh, shit. Cover myself. I'm sorry, I know you guys want me to get to it. It's my first reading on here, so bear with me until I find a good rhythm and system of how I would do this. Okay, I prefer to do it this way, but I mean, like, you know, something that's where it's not taking me a long time. I would just maybe start the video with the cards already laid out or something like that. Alright, so these look like some good cards. Whoever's watching me got like, what? It must not be a lot of people. It can't be. Let's see. I don't read reversals. Alright, here we go. Okay, so right out the gate, whoever's watching, I hate that I got this spy card. Like, get the fuck out of here. Like, seriously? I don't even want to say it, because I'm trying not to make it about me, but somebody's stalking somebody or someone's spying on somebody, but that's also my situation. Okay? That's why I'm about to get irritated. Maybe I shouldn't do this on this platform because too much of my energy is on it. You know what I mean? But there's someone who would like to collaborate with someone, watching them in awe and like enamored by them in some kind of way, or something being repaired, something being built. Someone watching someone wanting to build something with someone. Okay? Someone feels left out in the cold. But help is near. Help is there, but they're not asking for help. They feel down on their luck. They feel like something's an uphill battle. Someone feels trapped in their mind. If they're not imprisoned physically, they feel imprisoned in their mind and trapped. But that's that victim mentality, because they're not really trapped. Okay? They're just not seeing something clearly. Okay? And there's someone who's carefree, who's kind of living on the edge, foolishly, but it's not all bad. The Fool card is not all bad. I feel like saying pay attention. Don't be a fool to something. It's okay to live on the edge, but it can get dangerous sometimes, because looks like there's an offer that wants to come in, but someone's reluctant to take that offer. They're kind of satisfied with what they have. They're not budging. Or someone's either doing the offering to someone who's not budging, or someone's not willing to take the offer of the person who's giving them the offer. Whichever one you are, okay? Then there's someone who wants to give, just like in this last card, someone who might have some resources and balance out the scales by trying to balance things out and give to another. I don't know if it's like a third party type of situation. Like one person might feel neglected by a person, and then the other one feels like they're not getting enough. Well, one feels like they're not getting enough because the other one's getting more than the other. It looks like finances, but it can also be with anything. Attention, love, but typically this is a card that represents money, but it doesn't have to be based on your situation. Alright, but there is somebody who wants to give to someone, and someone's not sure if they want to take it from them. And then on another hand, someone's offering to help someone, but they're trying to help someone else when they're still neglecting someone else, if that makes sense. Then I've got the Lover's card right after that. So I don't know, to me, Lover's card is pretty much self-explanatory. Somebody might want to offer and give love, and someone's reluctant, like back up off me now. Back up off me. I don't need your love because you already got this bitch over here type of shit. Or this woman over here. I don't know. Whatever sexes you got going on. It's what's all this love cards? I know Valentine's Day is tomorrow. Oh my God. I hope this is not about me. I'm gonna have to start praying. Don't put me in these readings when I'm reading on here for people. Don't put me in this shit. Matrimony, love, wedding. That's what it's look like. Someone want. I'm gonna read all that together later because Valentine's Day. Okay. It looks like someone's watching somebody staring at them, watching them, spying on them, and then at the same time, someone wants to build with someone. Someone feels left out in the cold, neglected. The other person feels trapped and imprisoned in their mind or maybe physically, and then someone's living on the edge, carefree, doing their own thing. And maybe that's the person that the one person wants because that person has that type of mentality. And then this person is over here like reluctant, like I don't want your cup of love. And then this person's like, I already got 3 cups of love. I don't need your motherfucking cup of love. And then this one over here is like, okay, well, giving more to one and not enough to the other. It's not really balanced. But it could be, but it's not. And so one person looking at why that person getting more than me, and then be it money or love, and that's when the Lover's card came out, and it may be love. Okay, and then the 4 of Wands come out, and we all know what 4 of Wands is typically like a matrimony celebration, still like a matrimony. And the crazy thing about it, this is a celebration card. Oh, someone wants to propose to someone. Stop that shit. Ooh, I don't like that. I do not like that. Let's see here. Someone wants to rest and retreat, or someone's meditating. Someone's in a meditative mode. Somebody's in like meditation, rest and retreat, recouping. Maybe they were in a relationship and they felt drained and exhausted by it, and they now want to rest and rejuvenate and gather themselves together before they think about anything like that again. And then we have communication coming through. That might lead to some growth. Then you have someone feels like someone's an uphill battle, or someone's just gathering, taking all their things and moving on because they put in their work somewhere. And then we have someone that's arrogant. Someone may have to choose between someone who's more egotistical, arrogant, and full of themselves and highly confident, versus a guy who's confident and yet has their selves together emotionally, where they're emotionally balanced without being arrogant. Okay? I'm trying to leave the genders out, okay? And then we go from there to someone moving from troubled waters. So whatever turbulent times there was is not going to be anymore. It's going to be smooth sailing from here. It's going to be smooth sailing. And okay, so the 9 of Swords is, worried. Someone can't sleep well at night. Is kind of worried about a situation not going their way. I don't know, I'm picking up some other shit, and it's like, goodness, the fuck. Have the 4 of Cups again, so there is enough. That's the biggest, that is the most, and the collaboration. Okay, so these are the same cards come out twice, and that's the most important thing to pay attention to right now, is going to be the 3 of Pentacles and the 4 of Cups. So someone wants to collaborate with someone, build something with someone, construct something with someone, a business possibly, or a relationship. Something dealing with money. And then another one, that's one of the most important parts to whoever's going to be watching this reading. And these two cards. Someone wants to offer a person a cup. Cups represent your emotions. Maybe it could be a cup of love. It could be connected to this collaboration to build and grow and cultivate. But someone is not sure about accepting that cup because they already have 3 other offers. Maybe they're already in business with 3 other partners. And this 4th one comes out the blue. And they're not sure. But that cup, that 4th cup might possibly make it to where they're more satisfied because you got the 9 of Cups. And the 9 of Cups represents satisfaction. You will be satisfied. Content. A nice little nest egg. Strength card is out here. Someone who could possibly tame the lion. Keep that lion tamed. Maybe. I don't want to say the genders because men and women watch it. So, but it is a woman and it whole taming this lion. Unless the person is a Leo. I don't like to get into the astrology stuff. I just go with the flow. I don't want to get into that. Because not everybody's into hearing that shit. And then the Hierophant. This is also another like matrimony card. So I don't know if someone wants to get into business with someone or marry them so that they can be in business with them or something like that. Like business and marriage is coming together in this picture. And then the Hermit being to themselves. Lighting the way. Someone's coming in to light the way. And for the sun to come out and shine. The 6 of Wands, the 2 of Wands. So the Wands represent things that are tangible in this reality. Things you can touch, you can feel, you can hold. So it will be. But I keep seeing dualities too. Maybe someone has to pick between two doors, 2 people, 2 situations. That there's another cup coming in from a knight, which is a younger person. A younger person's coming in with an offer. Steady. That's a good card. They're not stagnant. They're not unstable. Pretty stable and steady. The King of Wands. That's a fire sign. So someone's coming in hot. They're not playing. They're in control. And then there's somebody who's ready to stand their ground and go for and fight for what they believe in. And then we have the High Priestess. Like a magician almost, like feminine energy. I take the High Priestess card too personal, so I put that right on over there. I always feel like I'm the High Priestess. But there's a celebration. There's something to be happy about and to celebrate about. You need to do some inner self-reflection and like mirror work, like in inner self, like work on yourself with some self-reflection. But also the message is to balance out your chakras. Do some chakra healing work. You might have some blockages in your chakras, and you need to meditate a little more just to get that balance and do self-introspection. Okay? But overall, you're going to be celebrating something. And then it says, it's up to you. You're ready. Don't stop. Meditation brings answers, and that makes sense. No need to worry, and peaceful resolution. And back in these cards here, where's the meditation card? These are 2 meditation cards. And then you have your chakra. When you meditate, you tap kind of in with your chakras. See what I'm saying? I like that. So that's all I got for you. That was my first YouTube reading. I'm going to get into it. I just wanted to play with it and see how many views I get at this point, and then blah, 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 and go from there. And I'll fix my setup. But have a good one. Toodaloo.